How to make transfers using Lemonade Payments. On Lemonade Payments, we have 3 ways in which you can transfer money. You can transfer money using Lemonade transfers, bank transfers, or mobile money transfers. Let us tackle Lemonade transfers. These come in 2 types. You can either do local transfers or you can do transfers between own accounts. Local transfers are transfers that are between accounts that are both on Lemonade Payments. For instance, if I want to do a local transfer, I'm going to input the account number to which I would like to send money to. And you will see that the system will automatically pick the name of the account to which you would like to send money to. In my case, this account that I am sending money to is called Top Ups. I'm going to click on Next. Once you click on Next, you're going to be requested to enter the amount that you would like to transfer and the reason. I'm going to input that as test. Then click on Confirm. Then you're going to confirm the details and then you select the account from which you'd like the money to be drawn to. In my case, I'm going to say that I want to fetch that from CleanDrip and then say send. You're going to input your PIN here and the transfer will be marked as complete. Both the Lemonade users will get a message confirming of the payment. Let's go back to transfers on Lemonade, which are between own accounts. If you want to make transfers that are between own accounts, you're going to select which account you'd like to draw money from and which account you would like the money to be sent to and the amount. In my case, I'm going to say that I would like the money drawn from CleanDrip and sent to, say, emergency fund. Then I'm going to input the amount as, say, 50 shillings. Click on Next. And you will be marked for the transfer as successful. That is on Lemonade transfers. For mobile money transfers, here is what you do. You will come and input the phone number which you would like to load the money from. So I'm just going to put that as the channel. As this is a Safaricom line, the channel automatically will be M-Pesa. Remember that you can send money to either M-Pesa, Airtel Money, or T-Cash. You're going to click on Next. Once you click on Next, you're going to input the amount that you would wish to transfer. The reason for payment, I'm still going to use this as test. If you want to make this a private payment whereby the recipient of the money does not get to see your name and details, you're going to slide this button to the right. If not, you can leave it as it is. Then you're going to confirm the details there and then select the account from which you would like the money to be drawn. In my case, we're going to select that I'd like the money to be drawn from CleanDrip. Once you click on send money, you're now going to input the PIN to your Lemonade account to ensure that this transfer is completed. Now, if the transfer is successful, you're going to get that the transaction is going to be completed successfully and get a message and an email informing you of the transaction. If not, the system will alert you that the transaction has failed. In my case, the transaction has successfully been completed. Now, the last type of transfer that you can do on Lemonade Payments is the bank transfer. For bank transfers, you're going to come and select the bank name that you would like to transfer money to. We have an array of banks that are available, So you're going to select the bank which you'd like to transfer money to. You're going to input the recipient's account number, the recipient's name, and the recipient's phone number. Then you're going to click on next and follow the prompts that follow. Again, when you're completing the transaction, the PIN number that you input is the PIN that you usually use to log in to Lemonade Payments. Thank you.